The White House Science Office lists ending the COVID-19 pandemic as one of the top accomplishments of the Trump administration's first term, despite the fact that new coronavirus cases are rising precipitously throughout the country, resulting in many hospitals nationwide approaching maximum capacity. Despite the alarming increase in cases that are greatly concerning to health experts nationwide, President Trump has continued to downplay the pandemic's severity. Last Friday, at an event in Florida, the president told his supporters that the coronavirus pandemic was going to end quickly, and that, "We're rounding the turn, we're rounding the corner, we're rounding the corner beautifully." At a campaign rally in Pennsylvania on Monday, Trump claimed, "It's ending anyway. We are rounding the turn. It's ending anyway." On Saturday, he stated, "We're rounding the turn. We're doing great. Our numbers are incredible." The president also continues to argue that Americans are tired of hearing about COVID-19 and that media outlets are spending too much time covering outbreaks and resulting fatalities. Until November 4th, fake news media is going full on COVID, COVID, COVID. "We are rounding the turn," Trump tweeted Tuesday morning. "More than 225,000 people in this country are dead. More than 100,000 small businesses have closed." And what's his closing argument? That people are too focused on COVID, former President Barack Obama said of Trump on Tuesday. "COVID, COVID, COVID," he's complaining. He's jealous of COVID's media coverage. If he had been focused on COVID from the beginning, cases wouldn't be reaching new record highs across the country this week. Earlier this month, Dr. Anthony Fauci, one of the government's top infectious disease specialists, said it is absolutely essential that the U.S. government is fully transparent with its citizens regarding the severity of the pandemic, and that a lack of transparency leads to a loss of confidence within the citizenry. "If you're going to make scientific-based public health recommendations, everything has got to be transparent," Fauci stated. Last week, Trump attacked Fauci, calling him a disaster, and alleged that Americans are tired of hearing Fauci and these idiots. 8.8 million, as of Tuesday afternoon. More than 8,816,700 people in the U.S. have tested positive for COVID-19, according to a New York Times database. Dr. Fauci, not being transparent about COVID-19 because you don't want to alarm people, is totally nonsense. Forbes, Fauci, national mask mandate may be needed amid COVID-19 spike. Forbes, White House Science Office takes credit for ending pandemic as infections mount. Politico, full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.